Hello and happy Saturday. Today we're going to do this leather or embossed leather look. This is made with some vinyl and alcohol inks, and that's all you'll need besides a tumbler in this clip. Tracing his wallet design. After my design was cut out, I weeded it out and I realized the lines were way too small. Alternated the pieces, so one is right side up and then one design is upside down. That way, there are gaps in between, but it just makes it more of like a leather or embossed leathered or tooled leather look. Women who post like more of the leathered look for a woman's cup, and they're going to have softer lines, they're going to have less detail to them, and they're going to be a little bit, I don't know how to explain it, but it's a little bit more bubbly and stuff. I feel like men like rugged lines, and this design to me just looks more manly, more masculine. Then you're going to put the alcohol inks on top, which takes a long time to dry, but you want to make sure you put about 2 coats and a dark coat at that. So this was before I wiped them off, and then you end up with this. Normally you do want to seal your vinyl, but I just went ahead and put epoxy on top of this. But here's the finished look. The more rugged it looks, the more distressed it looks. Like at the top, there's some bald spots or some lighter spots and darker spots out throughout the cup, and I just feel like it makes it more authentic.